It is the next step in the trial of a former Minnesota state trooper accused of causing a deadly crash that claimed the life of an Owatonna teenager and hurt several others. ABC 6 News reporter Rachel Mantos joins us now live from the newsroom. And Rachel, you've been digging into new documents filed by Shane Roper's defense team. What have you found out?
Well, Maisie, these new documents follow the prosecution's filing last week as both the state and the defense argue over which evidence should be allowed in Shane Roper's trial. Roper's team argues his actions leading up to the crash shouldn't be considered gross negligence. They say despite him speeding, Roper had the right of way as the car 18-year-old Olivia Flores and her two friends rode in entered the intersection against cross traffic. The documents say that other drivers' actions that day were, quote, tantamount to attempting to beat a speeding train at a railroad crossing and the sole cause of the decedent's death. Roper also has a history of speeding and crashing during his time as a state trooper, but his team says that should not be allowed in court either. Last week, the state argued that history is crucial in providing insight into Roper's state of mind while driving his squad car, something Roper's team says is not an acceptable basis for submitting evidence that does not directly relate to the case. That plus the fact that Roper admits he was speeding the day Flores died, but argues he was trying to make a traffic stop despite not having his lights on. Roper's team is also asking for a change of venue due to the amount of media coverage on this case, arguing Roper would not get a fair trial in Olmsted County. A judge has yet to make a decision on that. Live in the newsroom, Rachel Mantos, ABC 6 News.